Today, I just wanted to introduce you to a potential referral source a commercial referral source that you may not have thought about before. And this is for commercial cleaning companies, janitorial, commercial carpet, and tile cleaning. It wouldn't really matter. You could still apply this little niche strategy. And what it is creating a referral source from office furniture installers. And I just Googled office furniture, Atlanta, Georgia, just to show you how easy this is just to Google it. And you can find out who these companies are. I'm sure you can buy lists. Um, Hopefully, you'll contact me for that. And with these office furniture installers, what you are going to try to do is primarily two things. Either clean chairs for them. What I found the biggest thing is partitions. This to me would be the main value proposition is uh, being a resource for them to clean partitions for them. For some reason, this is something that I've noticed consistently over the years. When companies do these big construction projects or big remodeling projects of their offices, they almost always buy new chairs, new desks, but for some reason, they always want to go cheap on the partitions. And that's where we come in. Because now we're in a completely different position that to replace this partition is going to cost a lot of money. So even if we come in and charge 10, 20, $30 to clean it, that's still going to be a whole lot less money than for them to replace it or replace the fabric. So it's really a great position for us to be in from a bidding standpoint because we're always going to be the hero. We're always going to cost them a lot less money than replacement. So that's kind of the measurement you can use. Now, there's a second part of this that's even better, which is one of the reasons that this is such a great strategy, is we would initially approach these installers and the sellers of the furniture, and then sometimes they will include us in their bid because they have these big projects, sometimes tens of thousands, millions of dollars maybe, replacing furniture. And our cleaning is just going to be a little part of it, so they'll just pay us directly. But that's just for this initial project. The real the real beauty of this strategy is now we are in there, we're cleaning these partitions or cleaning chairs for this client, and now we have access to the client. We get to meet the office manager. We're gonna meet the boss. We're gonna meet the facility manager. And generally, they're gonna walk around and they're gonna want to check on the progress of the project. And we get to meet them, and now we can introduce the end user, the client, to our services, which now you can see there's carpet that might need to be cleaned. If you have an office cleaning service, uh, you can introduce them to your office cleaning service. Um, Maybe they have floors, and these are all things that the office installation company they don't do that kind of stuff, but we're already there cleaning. So now this is a great way for us to get additional work, and there's very little competition. I doubt any of your competitors have ever thought about or run a campaign like this. And those are the ones that we want to do, are the ones that nobody's doing.